Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jenny here, back again with another tutorial video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my ombre lip. Now I've done 3 so that at least you can know how to go about different lipstick colors. Yeah, so but before we move on, guys, thank you so much for your subscriptions. Like, we've hit 1170 subscriptions or subscribers, so thank you so much. Like, I can't hide the excitement. Thank you so much. Okay, but if you haven't subscribed yet, please just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much for your support. It's overwhelming. So right now, guys, let's hit 2K. So it's hashtag road to 2,000 subscribers. So please, let's go. So just share the video. Okay, enough of blabbering. Yeah, so you're gonna need the following. Of course, a bunch of lipsticks because I'm doing 3 looks. So for me, I have these. Let me see. Yes, I have these. There's so many. Oh, sorry. I have these. So for the first look, I'm gonna use the first look I use what? Oh, then apart from that, you're gonna also need some lip pencils to line your lips. So as usual, I'm using the V's eyebrow pencils as my lip liners because they work really well. They're so creepy. So I'm using the V's eyebrow pencil, the black and the brown one. The brown one this is number 3. This is number 3, and then this is number 1. So black and brown. And then you're also gonna need some brushes, and I'm using this angled brush. This one. This is an angled brush. And then I'm also using this lip brush. I believe you can see this. Okay, please don't mind this. They've served me well and they still are, so I'm not here to dispose. I'm not about to dispose these. They do the work perfectly well, so I love them. I'm so attached to my brushes. Okay, and then of course you're also gonna need some lip gloss. I use this Absolute one. Yeah. And then I also have this from JoannaK in Frost. Yeah, those. So for the first look I used the NYX Langerie lippy with these 2 lip pencils. The lip liners. So I used these. I lined my lips using these 2 and then applied this and then blended well. Then for the second look, I used the same method. I lined my lips first with the lip liners and then followed with this red lipstick from Colourpop in Starcross, and then in the middle part on top of this, I used this orange shade from NYX Langerie in number LL09. Yeah. And then added gloss on top. And then for the first one too, I added gloss on top. I forgot, sorry. And then for the last look, which is the one I'm putting on right now, check it out. I think this is my favorite. This and the first one. The second one too is cool because it's good for like Valentine's or dinner date, with your boyfriend or your husband. It's so pretty. and very romantic and sexy. So for this last one, I used this JoannaK lipstick. I'm actually out. I'm gonna buy another one. So JoannaK lipstick in Limuru. This is in Limuru. It's like a purplish, deep purplish shade. And then for the middle part, I used this. This has a very weird name, Kamadu. This, but it's very good quality. I love the fact that it really blends in. Like you can, you know the way when you're blending in or doing an ombre look, when you're blending, if the lipsticks are poor quality like these Muitus, when you're blending you find that they dry out so fast. This does not dry. It doesn't. So, and then I'm gonna tell you a trick to help you with any sort of lipstick when you're doing an ombre lip so that it doesn't dry out. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, and then of course for the third look too, I ended up using the liners. So the liners I used in all of them. The trick is just to blend well. So guys, here goes. The trick too that will help you blend in your lipsticks when you're making or doing your ombre lippy is to first start by applying, you can either do a lip gloss or you can apply what, Vaseline. Yeah, just basic Vaseline. But I tried, actually, I don't know, maybe it works for other people, but I've tried doing this, applying the Vaseline, but it doesn't work so well. There's a way your lipstick ends up being sticky, like right here, and then ni kama inatoka and it's really hard to get it back. It's like, you know, when you mess up an ombre lip, that's it, you just have to remove everything and start over. So I did this once, I got messed up, and then I love using any sort of lip balm. I think lip balm, yeah, lip balm or lip gloss. So this is my favorite. Actually, this is called Surya Brazil moisturizing lip balm. Any sort that you have will work definitely. Just make sure that you moisturize your lips. That will help a lot. So yeah, so thank you so much. So please, let's go straight to the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. Let's hit 2K. Road to 2K subbies. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.